Hey everyone, in this video I'll be doing a set that is Christmas inspired as well as my mom's favorite color, but I wanted to do two different ones, so it's like a dark take on holiday Christmas. So it's red and black. I'm just buffing the nails and that's showing after the buffing, and now I'm adding the hard gel onto each nail, and I've gotten better with laying it, so it's pretty much smooth. I've figured out now, because this set is older than my first set that I watched. If you haven't seen that, go back and watch it. But I realized that my UV lamp, the wattage wasn't high enough, so I got a new one. And so my next set, you'll see the red and snowflakes, I should be able to flash cure and it won't run, it'll set. Here I'm showing you the nails I'm wearing, which were for my mom, in dedication to my mom. She had just passed. She was 63, but she loved Betty Boop, she loved red. And that other nail set I showed was for my sister. I tried to hand paint. I've gotten better since then, but I'm still continually getting better with hand painting art. So I think I'll try the Betty Boop again, of course, because my mom, like in memory of her all the time. But right now I am filing down the nail, making it even after placing the hard gel / builder gel. I decided to make the next few videos shorter. Therefore, if you want more detail, you guys can request that, but I feel like I'd rather kind of get straight to the point. So I do show a nail or two of filing here, but I quickly skip over it and then go down to hand filing, just because I'm not sure of what other people might want to see. I like drilling, but I don't know if everybody else will, so just let me know in the comments. As I said before, I don't try to make it perfect with the drill, because I know I'll hand file afterwards. So here I'm just getting the shape right. I make the tip more square, the sides more pronounced. Just getting the shape I like without trying to be like too perfect, because it already looks good. And now here's finished after filing the nails down and shaping them. Basically, I'll wipe them off with alcohol, and then it gives like a clean slate looking. Now here, I don't even want to talk about it. Here I drilled down the nails, reshaped them, and I'm adding base coat, which is what I should have did from jump. I'm glad I saw this, because this is the reason I always add it. Sometimes it peels right off, sometimes it bubbles up, so I had to like I said, take all that off and repaint it. And here I didn't get the color right. I felt like it was too transparent, but I didn't want to take that first layer off. I liked mixing them, so I added another layer of the other color. And now I'm trying to figure out what nails I'm going to do what on, because this is something that, like, I saw inspiration from Pinterest, but it's like came out of my head type of thing, so I don't have any reference photos, and when I pull stuff out of my head, it takes me longer. Like here, I'm sitting here thinking. Now, don't sit here and judge the fact that I started off with 10 full nails, and by the end of this video, I only have on 4. Don't judge me, okay? Judge yourself. For the glitter, I added the polish and then I put the glitter on before I cured it, and then I cured it all together, and yeah, it still made a mess, but it's on now. That's all that matters. This is Macart rhinestone glue, the best thing ever. These rhinestones are from Amazon, of course. I haven't ventured out too much from Amazon. Like I said, I get some from local nail supply, but their prices are higher. So even if I did get it from them, I'm not going to say that. I'd say Amazon. Let me stop. I would say the truth. It's just, from now on, it's really Amazon or Shein, whenever I get a chance. And have some patience to order from Shein. That's for the Amazon, Shein. And here's the final product. I absolutely love these, and I have replicated them since then. I effing love them. I think I'll be making these in different colors, sizes. Also, I was snacking on my gelato. Here's what they look like when I'm being a passenger princess. See y'all next time. Thank you for watching.